lesson 1 from the change unit, Things Can Change in a Month. In this unit, students are going to observe how the moon changes in the night sky over the course of a month. Before the lesson, you'll want to prepare some tempera paint, a 50-50 tempera paint and water solution for the students, and have some salt available for an art project that they're going to work on during the lesson. The lesson will start with a discussion with your class about things that they observe in the night sky. You want them to brainstorm and list as many different things as they typically remember seeing in the night sky, and then talk about classifying them. We want them at the end of that discussion to talk about how the moon is the brightest object that they see in the night sky. There may be some discussion about that depending on the time of the month when they have observed the moon, and noticing that sometimes it is brighter than others. The next thing that students are going to do is you are going to have them draw a picture of the night sky. On a piece of construction paper with crayons, they'll draw a picture of the night sky, including objects in the night sky, and they should draw their house as part of it. It doesn't matter the orientation of the paper, whatever they want to do. Once they're done with that, let them know that they're going to add some details to it. They'll start with their paper, and they will take the watered down tempera paint, and they're going to paint over the entire picture. And then they will sprinkle some salt on it to make the stars in the sky. Let the students know that after this dries, you're going to add a surprise to it, but don't tell them what it is. Later, after all of the pictures have dried, you're going to use the glow-in-the-dark marker, and you're going to add a glow-in-the-dark moon to each of their pictures for them to discover later. Once you're done with that, let students know that for the rest of the month, they will be observing the moon in the night sky each evening and taking a moon observation book home where they can make drawings each night of what they see in the sky. They'll put the date, the time they observed it, and then they'll draw a picture of the moon as it appears that evening. Let them know there may be some nights due to weather or the cycle of the moon that they may not see the moon each night, and that's fine. They don't have to observe every single night, but the more observations they make, the more interesting it will be. The last part of this lesson is working in the student workbooks, where they will take the opportunity to practice drawing the moon and the different stages.